Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the ability to generate QR codes directly from a SMARTree. These QR codes are often useful in a facility where you have the physical material and you'd like to generate labels, whether it's on the materials or the test coupons or samples. You often need labels to identify these materials. And if you have these materials or specimens or information about that material stored as a SMARTree, it's often useful to be able to quickly create QR codes right off of the SMARTree that you have data for. So to use that, what we're going to do is we're just going to first populate our editor with a material. So I'm just going to search for a material, and here's one of my materials. I'm just going to drag that in there. So now it's in the editor. And to generate a QR code, you simply go under the Tools part. And up here, one of the first things you'll see, or second thing, is call it Code. And this generates a QR code. But before we do that, we need to pick out some keywords out of this tree. So one of the most common keywords is name. So if I type in name, what it does is it looks at the first column, finds the term name, and then picks out the value for that particular item you select. You're not limited by one item. You can actually select more. Maybe you want to put in there volume. So here we have the fiber volume fraction of that particular material. And you don't need to type in all the characters. Just a few characters will identify it. Maybe you want to put in there the material. So if you just type in material, you can also put that information in there as well. And it'll find that for you. So maybe resin material is something you want. And maybe you also want fiber material. So you could put in fiber material. So now you have all the information you need in here to basically build your QR code. I've got 4 items here in the tree. So just by hitting the code, it says, yes, I want to generate the QR code from these following keywords. And once you hit the generate button, then it basically builds a QR code. And what it is here you have the information that I found from that particular tree, and here are the QR codes themselves, and you can simply send that off to a label writer or a printer, and it will generate that information, and you can attach that to your materials, your samples, your rolls, and whatnot. So it's a very simple way to generate QR codes right off of the tree. Thank you.